Hello children, once again, and I hope you must be good. Now coming back to the main topic, in this video I will be teaching you briefly the how to write notice writing and paragraph writing. Right. I have already taught you all previously. If you want and if you have not understood thoroughly and you want to study vividly and more clearly to understand, you can go back to the video of mine and you can see the video. But in this video I will be only briefly. I will be recollecting all the important points of the notice writing. Now you must be knowing what is notice writing. I have told you notice writing is what? It is a written announcement to a group of people. It is like an information given to a group of people. Now since you are in the school, so we will be talking only about the school information, right? So next point that you have to remember is the limitation of words. Now in the notice writing you have to use very little words, right? Not exceeding more than right 50 words. I think 80 words is also more than enough. I think 60 words is okay. 50 to 60 words you are going to use in the information, right? Next, since it is about 50 to 60 words you have to write, hence your message, your notice message, your information should be short, to the point, crisp information, not talking about here and there or giving full details and minute details and all, nothing. In the notice writing, your date, date, time and venue. These four things are very important. Day, date, time and venue. These four things are very important in the notice writing. Remember. And lastly, which is very very important, because while I was checking your copy and I noted that you have written the notice writing, but you forgot to put it into the box. So all the notice writing should be written inside the box. Box means you have to make a box after writing the notice, which is very very important. Keep this in mind. Now children, a topic is given to you that you are a head girl of your school and you have been asked to write a notice about art competition for class 5th to 8th. Mention the place, the date, the day, the date and time, and other information to be given to the student. Now this is the topic which I have given. Let's see how we are going to write the notice, right? Now the topic we have read. Now you are the head boy. So how you are going to write? First you will write the name of the school, right? So after leaving two lines of your copy, remember children, always start notice writing in a fresh page, right? New page. So leave two lines and then write in the center, like Jamna Christian Junior High School, in one line. So you make sure that your writing should be beautiful, at the same time small, and it should be adjusting in the first line. Then leave one line, write notice. Then leave one line, you write date, right? Then after writing the date, as I told you, date should be written either day, month and the year, or month, day and the year. Never write like you write in your school copy 2/11/20. This is wrong. You have to write it in this way. The year will be 2020. Then leave one line, you are going to choose a very attractive topic like headline for your competition, for the event. So I have written simply took the topic name from the question only. On the spot painting competition for class 5th to 8th. Now then after that you will write day and date semicolon. Make sure all the semicolon is arranged at the same line. Right? Day and date. Day will be Saturday, November 14, 2020. Right? What is November 14? Yes, Children's Day. Time 10 to 12. 10 a.m. Don't never forget to write a.m. or p.m. or noon. Right? So 10 a.m. to 12 noon. Venue means the place where your competition is going to be held. Venue, school, auditorium. Right? Then leave one line. Then you will write a short note. Children must bring their own drawing sheets, colors and other art material. So it means it is specifically mentioned that the school is not going to provide you any art material. It is you have to bring on your own if you want to participate in the this thing on the spot competition. Right? Then leave one line. Since it is mentioned in the question paper head boy, है ना? So sorry, head girl it should be. So you can say Vinita Roy, head girl. You are not going to write your name. You are going, if since it is written on the question this thing in the this thing topic head girl. So you will act as a girl. Even if you are a boy, you will act as a girl and then write a girl's name and then the head girl. Next important thing which I said, that was always put the notice in a box. So what I did, after writing, leaving a finger, and I will make a box. Right? In this way you are going to do. So the name of the organization. So since it is it is a topic given from the school, so you will write the school's name. Leave one line. Then notice, which has to be written in the center. Right? Then leave one line. Date always you have to write in this way or in this way. Then leave one line. You will write the topic. This thing. The title of the notice, right? Then day, date, time, these all are very important. Then the note and then the signatory authority. Now after writing, children, notice writing is very easy and you can easily score 5 marks if you write it correctly. So how is the marking scheme? 1 mark is for the name of the organization. So children, if you are making a mistake, so that 1 mark, one red dot, your half mark is gone. Then half mark is the way you write the date. 1 mark is for the title which you write correctly and very attractive title you use. Next is day and date, right? That is for half marks. So time is for half marks. Venue you will write is for half marks, and then the signatory authority is for half mark. So children, if you make any mistake, simple mistake, any error, your half mark will go away. Suppose if you write over here, if you write over 2000 to November 14, 20, your half mark is gone. So you lost 1 mark. So when you are writing, please be very, very careful while putting all the views properly and correctly. Right, children? Now next we'll see paragraph writing. Now again, children, paragraph writing, it is very easy to score marks, very easy. And if you want you can easily score 4 marks, at least 4 and a half mark, right? All you have to focus is that the word limitation. Whatever amount of word limitations is given over there in the question, say about 80 or 180 words, or 100 words, you have to use that this thing 100 if it is given 80 words or 100 words, so use only 80 or 100 words, right? So word limitation I have given over here 60 to 80 words for example, but in the question paper it is always given, the word limitations are always given over there. Paragraph actually it should not be exceeding more than 80 words or 100 words or 120 words. Maximum you get all this thing in these form. And certain things you have to keep in mind. Since it is word limitations are given, restrictions are given to you, so it should be short and to the point, not beating about the bush and not focusing on the main idea, your main point. So you should be focused on the main point, right? The sentence which you are using should be simple, and it should have a clear view. The views, what you want to say, it should be clear, not like vague ideas, your vague talks you are talking about, but not talking to the main point, right? Next is that avoid repeating words. Repeating words means once you have already used a certain word, right? Say about vocabulary, like over here it is nothing, you have to twist your vocabulary. You have to use your vocabularies. You can take help from the dictionary, है So through the vocabularies, like you are not going to use repeat the words again and again. If you have used already that, suppose I have given you a topic, write about a famous personality, famous person, okay? Famous, famous, famous person. Famous person you like, ठीक है? famous, famous person which you know, right? So if you are talking about a famous person. Now if you have used a word that he is honest and sincere, try not to use honest and sincere again, but you use another word for it, right? If you open the dictionary, or if you why go to dictionary, open through the net, you can say honest and this thing. If you write meaning for honest, you will get lots of synonyms for the word honest, so you can use that. So try to avoid using a. So a person there's a famous person which you know, so you can talk about that person. You can talk about anyone, the famous person you know. You can also talk about film actor, actresses. Yeah, about the cricket these days, IPL is going on now. So you can talk about any of the cricketers. Say Dhoni. Dhoni is a famous personality. So you can talk about him. Anything you can talk, but never repeat the words. I hope you must have understood, children, and you will do your exam also. Now on Saturday I'll be sending another video in which how you are going to make your give your paper. We'll be discussing about that. Have a good day.